How to train DeepSeek for specific tasks. First of all, go ahead and launch the DeepSeek application on your device. Then proceed to log into your account. Once you have logged in, all you have to do is now use the system prompts and in-context learning. Set a foundational role, define the persona and tone, constraints, and specific rules the model must follow. You can add all these settings by simply tapping on these two horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom. From here, you should be able to access the AI's persona and settings. Now, once you edit it, all you have to do is provide 2 to 5 high quality example of inputs and desired outputs before asking your actual questions. And also fine-tune the API and retrieval augmented generation. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.